In today's video, I'm going to attempt to use scraps of shower tiles to create a beautiful shelf on the window in the bathroom. Laurent jumps in to help me and then destroys the ceiling of the stairs. Hello from the, I must say, absolutely gorgeous first floor bathroom. I'm so obsessed with this bathroom, you guys. So if you remember, this is the bathroom that Laurent spent basically the whole summer last year building from scratch. This bathroom was kind of a weird hallway, and we moved a wall out to make it into a full-size bathroom, and then Laurent just did everything, and it is so beautiful. I'm so obsessed with it. However, there is still one eyesore that it bothers me every time I look at it. It's this. So this is the window behind the bathtub. It's the only window in this bathroom, and the bottom of it used to be this like really not that great tile. We've tried to pull up the tile. It did not work. It's all broken and craggy and it's just a mess. So this window needs some glamming up desperately. Yeah, that's been on my nerves for about a year. A lot of things in this house, we have so many really big projects that we tend to tackle really big projects, and smaller projects that can kind of sit there and aren't getting any worse sometimes do get ignored, but no longer for this one, because I'm going to finish this window today. It's gonna happen. I'm doing it, guys. So here's my plan. My plan is to use the remaining tiles from the beautiful shower that we built in there. There's maybe 4 big tile scraps like this left, and we're going to tile with these the bottom of the window and also do like a very small backsplash. I have measured, and theoretically I have exactly the right amount of tile to do it, so if I don't break them, I will be okay, probably. If not, the only way to get these is to drive an hour away to the one shop that has these tiles. So if I do break them, we'll have to consider whether we really want these specific tiles or we want to save 2 hours of driving and use a tile from our local shop. But hopefully this will be fine. Oh my God, that was terrifying. This is the biggest tile that we have left, and if I had broken this, it would have been done for these tiles. But I didn't, and I theoretically have one piece that's the right size. I hope. I'm gonna see if it's the right size now. That is not bad at all, if I do say so myself. This is so tricky to cut, because this is why I did the paper cutout instead of just measuring, because this side of the wall is less diagonal than this side of the wall. This is a steeper diagonal. So the fact that I got this like relatively close to the right shape, I think is very impressive. Good job, me. Now I just have to make it through 8 more cuts without making any mistakes or breaking anything. that is so much better. That is a weight off my mind that it looks beautiful now and it no longer looks like just a broken tile nightmare. It looks so pretty. And to be honest, we were thinking about doing just a slab of marble instead of the marble tiles, like actual marble. I kind of gave up on that idea because it would have been really hard to get marble custom cut into this shape. But actually, I think I do prefer it with the matching tiles because now the bathroom shower and the bathroom window match and it kind of brings the design together a little bit, which is really nice. So actually, I think it's ended up really for the best. However, now that this window is nice and clean and tidy, I think another part of the house is about to become the opposite of that because I believe Laurent is planning to go on a destruction spree. That sounds like destruction. I'm worried. I feel fear. Basically, the ceiling of the stairway has some really weird like plywood nailed to it. We don't know why it's there, but it's about to come off. So let's go watch Laurent destroy the stairs. I'm not saying it's going to be very impressive to film. I know that this is just a small step. I'm just saying that if the entire ceiling fell on your head, I don't want to miss having that on video.
I don't know what to feel about that. It sticks.
You threw them on Image's paper that she sits on.
Oh, so
That's very aggressive.
Yeah, I know.
Be nice to the cat.
It's almost done. Oops, sorry.
You're just trying to kill people?
Uh-oh.
You better be careful, there's sticks flying around here.
I noticed that.
I just walked across all the gravel in the garden with no shoes on so I could bring you this ladder so you wouldn't die.
Yeah.
What did you do?
Oh, I did it with a gun.
On a chair? I'm gonna leave the ladder here. I don't care if you fall down the stairs.
I will fall on the ladder. Ah, that's some 40 years old dust over this.
And also in your face now. It's not bad underneath though.
No, it's okay.
It matches the rest of the ceiling.
Yeah. It's a little darker because it's not been exposed to
Yeah,
light.
but we're gonna paint, so. That's all right though. I was worried it was gonna be something really bad that we'd have to like cover in some way.
Yeah.
That would have been really annoying. But I think that it would be a shame to end this video on a destruction, even such a successful destruction as this. That is so hard to say. Such a successful destruction. I've invented a tongue twister accidentally. Anyway, we're gonna do a little bit of construction to finish this video, which means I'm gonna run up to our second floor bathroom up here. You guys may have seen it before. It's the jungle wallpaper bathroom. We had to run a pipe in the corner of that bathroom recently. Laurent has built a little corner cabinet that hides the pipe, but it's just in plywood. It's not incorporated into the bathroom in any way. So I'm gonna run in there with some wallpaper and hopefully I can match up the wallpaper well enough that you won't be able to even see the weird corner. good. Come look what I did.
Wow. That's very good.
You can't see it.
It just disappears right into the wall.
I've done a
Yeah.
camouflage.
That's so good. You can't even see that it's in a square.
Yeah. I told you it'd be fine.
Yeah, it's nice.
I must say, I am extremely proud of this. Is it perfect? No. One side is perfectly matched up because I replaced this whole panel of wallpaper. So one side is just wallpaper going all along here. It's one piece. It bends. It comes over here. And then it ends right in the fold of this corner. But I think even where the two pieces come together, that is not bad. Very happy with this. Hello.
Hello.
I heard lunch was in progress. Can I help you?
No, we have a combination of the way you do it and the way I do it, which promises to be interesting.
I want to come help cook.
Well,
Don't reject me.
my turn.
All right, well, I'll get ready to eat then.
The handiest thing we now have in the kitchen is
Oh my
this.
gosh. This thing is so good.
Yes.
It's just a little garlic press, but instead
Yes.
of squeezing the garlic, it turns it, and that is magical. I'm obsessed with that
It
thing.
looks like the Starship Enterprise, but it's so handy.
Well, I've been banned from helping cook, so I guess I will help eat. I'm gonna go get ready for lunch, but as always, thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed our morning of hard work, please do subscribe to the channel down below and give this video a big thumbs up. And a big thank you to all of our lovely patrons, including this patron right here. The other patrons don't have to cook, it's just this one. But a big thank you to our patrons for your support, as always. And if you're interested in becoming a patron, the link to our Patreon, where there's little extras for patrons, is just down below. And with that, we'll see you guys next time.
Bonjour.
Well, it's au revoir.
Au revoir.